Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll install Word and Sign in now so your documents sync across devices. Open the Galaxy Store or Google Play, search Microsoft Word, and tap Install. Once installed, open Word and sign in with your Microsoft account. This enables auto-save and cloud access. Make sure to allow storage and microphone permissions when prompted so you can save files locally and use dictation. After signing in, tap the plus button to create a new document and choose a blank doc or template to begin. You'll work through content creation and formatting next. Tap the document body to bring up the keyboard. Alternatively, press the mic icon to dictate. Dictation speeds up drafting and keeps hands free. Use the ribbon at the bottom or top to access Home for font and paragraph controls, Insert for images, and Layout for margins and orientation. Styles keep headings consistent. Once done with content, apply bullets or numbered lists for clarity. Adjust spacing and 1/2-inch margins, and review with Read allowed to catch flow issues. You'll finalize and share the document now. Make sure autosave is turned on or manually tap Save to store the file on OneDrive or your device. Choose Export to save as PDF when needed. To collaborate, tap Share, set permissions, and send a link or attach the file to email. Recipients can edit with Office apps. If something goes wrong, sync errors, missing edits, or blank screen, sign out and back in, verify Wi-Fi, and update the app. If sync still fails, clear app cache and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.